Hello people! Welcome to Exploring jelaiZki. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, slap that like button, and share this video.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're
No one will ever forget to visit Sugba Lagoon because of the famous diving board that was featured from a Filipino movie, Siargao. It's an hour boat ride zigzagging in and out of the mangroves from Del Carmen, which is also the jump-off point to Sohoton Cove and other coves, and is approximately 45 minutes drive from General Luna. Once you get there, you pay an entrance fee of 50 pesos, which includes the table, to leave your belongings, and the local women will keep an eye on them. But still be very careful, especially when it's jam-packed with tourists. You can rent out kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, and bamboo rafts for 300 pesos per hour. At Del Carmen Tourist Center, they will show you a laminated brochure which you can pick a tour from A to D that you wanted to avail, or if you're a solo traveler like me, you will be asked to join to other groups. As the floating house can only accommodate 100 or so people at a time, there is a 3-hour time limit to spend at Sugba Lagoon. This is to allow for groups of people arriving and departing throughout the day.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too.
I can say Sugba Lagoon is my laid-back tourist spot in Siargao. If you can mute the noise of other tourists near you, just chill in your stand-up paddleboard while wandering with a view of the lagoon and the surrounding coves. Didn't try to jump from the paddleboard, as they say the water that you will jump is not that deep, and it also has a part of sharp rock underneath. The sad, emerging reality, as told by the guide of the group that I have joined, the trash that tourists leave from this beautiful creation of God, they cannot accommodate to remove and bring it right away to the mainland. That is also the reason as to why they remove the stores to buy where you can buy food or water.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and play.
Sugba Lagoon is beautiful and peaceful. Please, be mindful when visiting this kind of places. Leave nothing and take only beautiful memories. Again, I hope my experience helped you in this video, and try to explore it when you visit the island of Siargao.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in another one.
Really